For more new and exciting updates about amazing AliExpress deals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay connected with us. Turn on the bell icon.
Are you looking to build your own high-capacity power bank? Check out this amazing 10-slot 18650 battery DIY case. It comes in both blue and black color options. The design is smart and durable. The best part is that it is completely welding-free. That means you can easily install your batteries without any soldering or complicated setup. Inside, it features an advanced fast-charging circuit board. You can use 10 18650 lithium-ion batteries to customize your power bank just the way you want. Once you place the batteries correctly, following the proper polarity, your power bank is ready to go. It also includes a digital LED display that shows real-time charging status and battery percentage. For ports, it includes dual USB outputs, one Type-C port, and a micro USB input. It supports QC3.0 and PD22.5W super fast charging. From Samsung to Huawei, it supports multiple fast charging protocols. Order now from AliExpress and check the first comment for the product link.
To order this product, please check the first comment. Our website link is there. Click the link to place your order.
Are you looking for a reliable and powerful charger? Check out the PD22.5W TypeC charger. This white model features a sleek UK plug design and advanced Type-C interface, perfect for your high-end gadgets. If you prefer a classic look, the black edition is equally stunning. It's compact, lightweight, and built with premium materials. This charger isn't just about looks. It's designed for maximum efficiency and durability. Planning a trip? This is your perfect travel partner. It's globally universal and safe to use even on airplanes. Plus, it comes with multi-layer protection like overcharge, short circuit, and over-temperature safety features. Speed is everything. This charger supports multiple protocols. It can charge your iPhone 15 Pro from 0 to 60% in just 30 minutes. It's incredibly small but impressively fast for all your devices. Whether you choose black or white, you get the same top-tier performance. To check the price and get the best deal, please check my first comment. Don't miss out on this essential tech accessory.